Hey, what's up? Yep, I just finished my run and I got back home like not too long ago. Yeah, it's been a long time since I recorded a video in my room in the morning. I'm talking about the morning freestyle daily video. I spent my last week at my grandparents' home, and last night I came back. I came back in the morning and I stayed in my room last night and I had a pretty good sleep. I rested really well. That's how I felt, at least. And this morning I just when I was running, it was like, still at this point the wind was insane. It was like super windy this morning and all the leaves were like blowing hard. What the fuck? Yeah, and it's just so hard to run against the wind. It's so hard to run against the wind, but it's fun. It's fun. But I didn't run that much. I only did 3.15 kilometers, and it's about like 20 minutes, and I felt good. Just enjoyed talking to myself. I stopped at the riverfront. I talked to myself a little bit. I just showed some love to myself. I encouraged myself. I told myself I love myself. I am proud of myself. I am, indeed. After I've been through so much, and I still remained positive and strong and, very determined and motivated. I still just got up early every day. It sounds pretty easy, but it's hard to do because you have to do so many things right. Otherwise, you can't just, keep doing it. It's so hard if you don't go to bed early, if you don't eat right food, if you don't set a goal, and if you don't get things done in the during the day, you wouldn't feel as motivated to do it in the morning. Early morning, it's still dark. What time? It's only 5:55. Guys, see that? So today is March 12th, 2023. When I was running earlier, I was thinking maybe I should go to the hospital and make some appointments for my grandpa, and he needs to do a few more tests. He hasn't done any test yet. I just wanted, be more responsible. Not the right word. I want to make sure that my grandpa is in good hands and he can figure out the next treatment plans for his health problems like gout and other things. At the same time, I want to go to Starbucks and work on my videos. I could do both, because not necessarily I can go. I can take my grandpa to the hospital this morning because it'll take some time to, you can't just make the appointment at this time for the morning. It's too late, right? I can probably find some appointment time in the afternoon. So I'll see what's going on. Yeah. All right. So this is the video. I want to just get it done quickly, and then I'm gonna just I don't know, I kind of want to do some stretching. I need to, actually. I should. Yeah, I should. Anyway, it's been a good talk. Thank you. Bye.